Do you think your eye color is just genetics? What if it actually says a lot about your personality, your thinking, and even how you connect with people? Some research suggests that eye color is not just a physical trait. It can be like a small code of your inner world. So here is a question for you. What color are your eyes? Watch until the end, and you may understand yourself a little better. The truth is, most people do not fully understand themselves. We think we do, but often we only see the surface. We also tend to ignore the impact of small external traits, like eye color. But psychologists and researchers have studied possible links between eye color and personality. Some findings suggest eye color may relate to how we react, feel, and handle stress. Still, this information is not widely known. So let us explore it together. Let us start with brown eyes. If you have brown eyes, you are often seen as confident and stable. People with brown eyes tend to show leadership qualities. They have strong energy, but can stay calm. Others usually trust them more easily. Blue eyes are often seen as calm and soft, but that is only the surface. Inside, blue-eyed people can be very strong. They are emotional and sensitive, yet very resilient. People may think they are weak, but that is not true. Green eyes are rare, so they stand out. People with green eyes are often creative and think differently. There is a sense of mystery around them. They can be hard to fully understand. They are also often seen as attractive and charismatic. Gray or gray-blue eyes are linked with analytical thinking. These people can quickly understand situations and make decisions. They control their emotions well and may seem calm, but it does not mean they do not feel deeply. In difficult moments, they are often the most stable. So what can you do with this? First, look at your own eye color and see what matches. Second, notice your strengths. Third, use this to better understand others. It can help in communication. Most importantly, use it to understand yourself better. You can also apply this in real life. Look at your friends and family. See if their eye color matches their personality. You might notice surprising patterns. You can even turn this into content for TikTok or YouTube, and always observe yourself. Use this as a tool for self-growth. Sometimes the most interesting part is not just the eye color itself, but how people react to it. Think about it. From the moment we meet someone, our brain is already making quick judgments. Not always accurate, but still powerful. Eye color becomes part of that first impression. It is one of the first details we notice without even realizing it. For example, people often describe brown-eyed individuals as more trustworthy, even before they speak. Meanwhile, blue eyes are often associated with calmness or emotional depth. These impressions happen instantly, almost automatically. But here is something important. This is not magic, and it is not absolute truth. It is psychology mixed with perception. Our brain likes patterns, even when they are not fully proven. There is also a biological side to this. Eye color is determined by melanin levels in the iris. Higher melanin usually creates darker eyes, while lower melanin creates lighter eyes. But researchers believe melanin levels might also slightly influence light sensitivity, which can indirectly affect behavior, mood response, or comfort in different environments. For example, some studies suggest lighter-eyed people may be more sensitive to bright light, while darker-eyed people may have faster reaction control in certain situations. These are not personality rules, but small tendencies that scientists are still studying. What makes this topic so interesting is not whether it is 100% true, but why we believe it might be. Humans naturally connect physical traits with personality. It helps us understand people faster, even if it is not always accurate. That is why eye color personality theories became popular on social media and psychology blogs. They give us a simple way to reflect on ourselves, even if reality is more complex. And maybe that is the real value here. Not labeling people, but observing patterns and asking questions like, why do I feel this way about certain traits? Why do I assume certain personalities? Because once you start questioning your first impressions, you start understanding people on a deeper level. And that is exactly why we are going to break down each eye color next. Not as a rule, but as an interesting mirror into how humans think and perceive each other. But remember one important thing. This is not 100% science. Eye color does not define everything. Every person is unique. Eye color is just one factor. Do not judge people only by this. So eye color is more than just appearance. It can give small hints about who you are. It is one more way to understand yourself. But not the full picture. You are more complex than you think. Now write in the comments, what is your eye color? Did it match your personality? If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe. More interesting topics are coming next.